and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. So I just wanted to pop on for some admin stuff, and I do have a question for you guys. So the first thing I want to cover is my 2020 holiday gift guide and giveaways video. Hopefully most of you guys have already seen it, but I do have a ton of giveaways and they have started going live. So make sure you are following me on Instagram, Facebook, and a subscriber here on YouTube for chances to enter to win. I will be uploading one gift every day until I run out of prizes. So make sure you're on all of those social media outlets. That way you don't miss any of them. And then there's a ton of comments on my 2020 holiday gift guide and giveaway video. So if you haven't commented on there, go comment over there because I will be picking a winner from those comments as well for something special that I didn't show in the video. I've put together a cute little gift box for you guys and I would like to give it away to one of my awesome subscribers. So that is the admin stuff for this. Make sure you don't miss the giveaways. They are awesome. Go back and watch that video. I'll put a link to it right here as well. And make sure you comment on that video as well for a chance to enter to win the gift basket. All right, on to the question number 2 that I have for this video, and that is all about Vlogmas. So truth be told, we weren't sure if we were going to do Vlogmas or not this year because we just felt like we've been kind of at home and we're kind of boring this year, but we have received so many questions, comments, and people requesting that we do Vlogmas. And so I thought I would put it out to you guys. You're my main YouTube audience here. This is where the Vlogmas episodes will go live. If you're not sure what Vlogmas is, I'll put a link here. You can check out some of the other Vlogmas episodes that we did in previous years. But basically, we'd just be filming kind of our day-to-day activities during the month of December, and then we do a last one on Christmas Day usually. So leave a comment below letting us know whether or not you want us to do Vlogmas this year, or if you'd like me just to stick to my regular scheduled programming of tutorials on Thursdays. Now I will say I do have a couple of holiday themed tutorials that will go up anyways, just because they are kind of time sensitive obviously for the holidays, and so they may replace a Vlogmas you know, a day here or there. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below on what you think about our family doing Vlogmas this year. In the meantime, do not forget to go back and enter to win all of the giveaways as well because they are awesome. And we hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next video.
Is this gonna be a whole video?
Yeah. What do you mean it's gonna be a whole video? Like a part of a video? I'm just waiting for Bandit to finish eating. Can you do that outside, Bandit? Yes. Should we do Vlogmas? Leave a comment. Ready? Here we go. Okay.
Maybe you should put on a Christmas sweater.
I don't have a Christmas sweater. I will walk over and just unplug that computer, girl.
What's up, gamer?
We are not game. Insert intro here. And giveaways video is going live. It has been, shoot, don't. He's fine. He can be back there. It's just distracting because I can see his tail. Come here, Jaxie. Are you in the background going no?
Yeah, no.
One of the family members is not in. Okay. Thank you for making that known. Shh. So let us know what you think. Would you like to see us doing kind of our daily stay-at-home kind of fun holiday things? Or are you like, no, just skip it this year. We don't want to see your boring family doing boring things.
Yeah, what are you doing?
What's it called?
A thumbnail?
Yes.
Bring
Doing a
Jack.
thumbnail.
Bring Jack.
You'll be seeing lots of Jax too because he just inserts himself in pretty much every video. He has cat litter on his butt. You are in no shape to be on the vlog. This is Jaxie, if you guys don't know. He's on the cover of my holiday gift guide. He's sort of violent right now. Hey, kitty.